Good morning, children. Today we will study about the classification of business industry. Classification of business activities. So business activities can be classified into two, that is the industry and commerce. Industry can be again divided into three parts: primary, secondary and tertiary. So in this video we will only study about the industry, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. So what is industry? It includes all those business activities that are concerned with the production of goods and services by converting raw materials into useful products. So all those business which convert the raw materials into useful products, those businesses comes under the industry. So production of goods and services by converting the raw materials into useful products are called basically the industries. Example, cotton textile industry, cotton textile industry produce textile goods from the cotton. Now there are basically three types of industry: primary, secondary and tertiary. Now come to the primary. These industries include all those activities which are concerned with extraction of natural resources and reproduction of development of living organism, plants, etc. So any industry which is related with the extraction of natural resources and reproduction and development of living organisms like the plant and others comes under the primary industry. So most important is natural resource and reproduction and development of living organisms. Again, primary industry are of two types: extractive industry and genetic industry. Extractive industry, it includes all those activities which extract or draw out various products from natural resources. So all those activities which extract out various products from natural resources, then that is called that will come under the extractive industries. So these industries basically extract out various products from the natural resources like the earth, soil and water. Second is genetic industry. It involves activities like breeding and reproduction of plants and animals. Breeding and reproduction of plants and animal comes under the genetic industry. That is basically the poultry farm is the genetic industry. So primary is over. Now come to the secondary. Secondary, these industries are concerned with using the materials which have already been extracted at the primary stage. So all those materials, raw materials which have been extracted in the primary stage, and then it is produced into a finished goods. Means the goods of the primary industries are used by the secondary industry to produce the finished goods. All those comes under the secondary industry. The first is manufacturing industries. So secondary industry is again of four types: manufacturing industry, analytical industry, synthetic industry and processing industry. First type of secondary industry is manufacturing industry. These industries convert raw materials or semi-finished products into finished products. So raw materials is converted into the finished product, then that is called a manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industry is of four types: analytical industry, synthetic industry, processing industry and assembling industry, where the raw material is converted into the finished products, or semi-finished product is converted into a finished products. Now analytical industry. In such industry, a basic raw material is analyzed and separated into different finished goods. So here in analytical industry, basic raw material is analyzed and separated into different finished goods. Now synthetic industry, under this two or more raw materials are combined together. Here in this, two or more raw materials are combined together to make a new products. Now third is processing industry. It involves successive stages for manufacturing a product. So here successive stages are used for the manufacturing of a product. Now assembling industry, under this different components are assembled to make a finished products. So different, like in assembled computers, different components are assembled to make a finished products. So in analytic industry, basically raw materials is analyzed and separated. In the synthetic industry, two or more raw materials is combined to make a product. Then in processing industry, successive stages for manufacturing a product is done. And in assembling industry, various components are combined to make a new product, like a car industry. Now second type of secondary industry is construction industry. It includes all those which are engaged in construction of building, road, dams, bridges. So all those industries which are engaged in construction of building, road, dams, bridges are called the construction industry. So these were the two important, primary, secondary. Now third type is the tertiary industry. These are concerned with providing support services to primary and secondary industries. So tertiary industry provides the support to the primary and also to the secondary industry. Various services, various types of services comes under this. They are basically the insurance service, warehousing means go down, then banking, advertising, transportation and communication. All these comes under the tertiary industry. It is also called the service industry. So today only this much. Thank you.